Good. Now we have a very, very special guest here today. The Department of Nutrition in our district is here to show you something pretty cool.
Today we featured a smoothie bike. The purpose of this bike is just to teach the kids some physical activity while pedaling a bike. And this bike has a blender, so by the time when they pedal, they can create a smoothie. This is just an activity that us as a department wanted to experience, in collaboration with PE coaches. Not only just provide the food for the cafeteria every single day, but also take part of their, curriculum a little bit and have some fun.
Anything that has to do with health related, to get these kids to push to eat healthier or have healthy habits is definitely a lot better, or it works better for them to I guess push it out there. What you see nowadays is nothing but advertisements for fast food, the types of food that they do eat at home. It's easier that way, but when they can work at it and it shows like a good result, by all means, it's something they can push for.
That it was really cool, that you can do some exercise at the same time. You can drink some smoothie that's really good. I gave it a 10 out of 10 because it's really, really good.
So the plan is to bring the bike, show it around the district, elementaries, middle, and high school, so all the students can have a chance to ride it, create their own smoothie, and experience a fun activity that Channel Nutrition Services is providing in collaboration with the PE coaches.
Honestly, it's very innovative. It's something different. Anything that's different for the kids, they definitely love it. And I'm excited for them as much as what I see that, obviously the reaction shows it too.
It was fun to start using the bike and drinking smoothies.